Here's how you can fix Roblox installer not working. So first of all, let me show you what does that mean. If I open up any game and tap on the play button, now this will ask me open Roblox game client, which I will usually tap on this and the game start playing right in front of me. As you can see, this is going to give me this error occurred and Roblox cannot continue. So what you have to do is to start by tapping on the download and install Roblox. But before doing that, you just have to hop into your settings of your Windows and tap on program or applications. Tap on apps and feature and you just have to search for Roblox and uninstall it from here right now so that we can install it again. So once you have uninstalled this, you just have to tap on download Roblox and you just have to wait for it and tap on save button. Once you are done, tap on this and now you have to follow all the on-screen instructions in order to install the Roblox again, and once you are done, your problem must be resolved now. If not, you have to make sure to start running your Roblox with administrator. So yeah, that was the process of how you can fix Roblox installer not working.